Geeks Night Out. If you've ever wondered to yourself, what is Geeks Night Out exactly? Well, let me show you what you've been missing. Science and fun for all ages. Engineering and technology, big and small. Music to fill your soul. And even salsa to fill your belly.
Back up, and then point it from there, from right where you're at.
But that's not the only reason why Geeks Night Out is so great.
I've got a friend who can show you just what I mean.
And why do you think events like Geeks Night Out are very important?
I think Geeks Night Out is important because it makes STEAM and STEM programs fun and accessible. That maybe taking some of the, I could never do that, out of the game and just say, hey, try it, have fun with it, see if you like it, see if you can understand it, and maybe have a little more respect for it.
So what are you waiting for? It's never too late to get involved in your community, your education, and your fun.